Question number 9. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area of a cylindrical vessel open at the top if its diameter of the base is 21 cm and height is 15 cm. First, we'll write the given. Diameter of the base is 21 cm. For finding lateral surface area and total surface area, we need radius. So, radius is nothing but diameter divided by 2. Our diameter is 21. So, R is equal to 21 divided by 2 cm. And height of the cylindrical vessel is given as 15 cm. So, height H is equal to 15 cm. First, we will find lateral surface area of the cylindrical vessel. That is LSA of the cylindrical vessel. LSA of the cylindrical vessel is 2 pi RH is equal to, we will substitute all these values pi, r and h in the formula. Pi value is 22 by 7 and our r is 21 by 2 and our height h is 15 cm. We'll cancel 21 and 7 one time, 3 times. We'll cancel 22 and 2 one time and 11 times. 2 into 11 is 22 and 22 into 3 is 66. 66 into 15 and 66 into 15 is 990 centimeter square. So, LSA of the cylindrical vessel is 990 centimeter square. Next, we will find the total surface area of the cylindrical vessel. Here, our cylindrical vessel is open at the top. So, TSA of the vessel will be LSA of the vessel plus area of the circular base. So, to find TSA of a cylindrical vessel, we will add LSA and area of the circular base. LSA of the vessel plus area of the circular base. We already know the LSA of the vessel, cylindrical vessel is 990 centimeter square. So, we will substitute this one here. LSA of the cylindrical vessel 990 and area of the circular base is pi r square. (990) plus value of pi is 22 by 7 and our radius is 21 by 2. Since r square is there, we will write 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Now, 7 and 21 will cancel, write 3 and 22 and 2 cancel and write 11. Now, 11 into 3 is 33 and 33 into 21 is 693. And we have only 2 in the denominator. We'll write 2. Now, 693 by 2 is 346.5. (990) plus 346.5 is 1336.5 centimeter square. So, the LSA, TSA of the vessel with the, so the TSA of the vessel which is open at the top is 1336.5 centimeter square. Question number 10. The radii of two right circular cylinders are in the ratio 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio 5:4. Calculate the ratio of their curved surface area. we will take the ratio of the radii as, let the ratio of the radii as as 2r is to 3r. That is, our r1 will be 2r and our r2 will be 3r. Similarly, we will take the ratio of the heights be 5:4. So 5h is to 4h. That is, our h1 will be 5h and our h2 will be 4h. We are asked to calculate the ratio of their curved surface area. Therefore, the ratio of their curved surface area will be is equal to 2 pi r1 into r2 is to 2 pi r2 is into h2. Write this one as 2 pi r1 h1 divided by 2 pi r2 h2. We'll cancel 2 pi and 2 pi. We'll have only r1 into h1 divided by r2 into h2. Now we will substitute r1, h1, r2, h2 values. Our r1 is 2r. So 2r into our h1 is 5h. Divide by our r2 is 3r into our h2 is 4h. Now we will simplify this one. R and R will get cancelled. H and H will get cancelled. And 2 and 4 will cancel and write 2. 1 time, 2 times. Now 1 into 5 is 5. And in the denominator, 3 into 2 is 6. We'll write this one in the ratio 5:6. Therefore, the ratio of the curved surface area is 5:6.